Wow, it seems like I have not done a video in quite some time. Let's see if I remember how to do this. And we have original price, a percent discount, and sale price. So remember, when we're dealing with these percents, we're using the proportion price you pay over original equals the percent you pay over 100. So let's look at number one here. Line equals line over 100. The original price is $20. That goes down here where original price goes. The percent of discount is 20%. Remember, that's not the percent you pay. That's the percent of the discount. So if we were going to pay 100%, but they took 20% off of the price, we have 80% left to pay. The percent we pay and the percent discount always add up to 100%. We're trying to find this right here, the price you pay. Now, before I do cross products here, I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. I see they both end in 0, which means I can divide them both by 10, which will make this x over 20 equals 8 over 10, dividing the top and bottom by 10. Well, that worked out well because I know 10 times 2 is 20. 8 times 2 is 16. X equals $16. Well, that makes sense. I was paying 80% of the price, so it better be a little less than what it originally was. It was 20. I'm paying 16. A little less. Number 2. Line equals line over 100. Now the original price is $95. The percent discount is 35. Remember, I subtract that from 100. Do that on paper. A lot of kids are going to say 75 if they do that in their head. But 100 minus 35 is 65. Again, I'm going to simplify here before I do my cross products. 5 goes into 65 and 100. So 13 over 20 equals x over 95. Well, now I do have to do my cross products. X times 20 is 20x. And 13 times 95 is 1,235. Because 13 times 100 would be 1,300, and I subtract off 5 13s, or 65, to get 1,235. Now I divide both sides by 20 and get x equals 20 goes into 1,235. 20 goes into 1,235. 20 goes into 126 times, which is 120. 20 goes into 35 one time, which is 20. Now, I would love to do fractional remainders, but with money, we got to go decimal. Bring 15, bring down a 0. 20 goes into 157 times, which is 140. Bring down one more 0. 20 goes into 105 times. 61.75, which is $61.75, which makes sense. Where it's a discount. It was $95. I'm paying $61.75. Number 3. Now on number 3, they give us some different information, but we use the same proportion. The sale price this time, the price we pay, is $55.50. The percent discount is 75%. That's a pretty good discount. It means we only have to pay 25% of the price. And we're looking for x. Here I would simplify this to 1/4 equals 55.50 over x. And I know 1 times 5550 is 5550 times 5550. And so 4 times 5550, 5550, 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 5 is 20, 22, 22, 2 numbers behind the decimal, 2 numbers behind the decimal, x equals $222.00. The original price was $22. Oh no, $222. Number 4, let's see if I can get it on the same page. Same proportion. Line equals line over 100. Sale price, $78. Discount is 40%. So if they took 40% off of the original, we have to pay 60%. And we're looking for the original price. I would simplify this. It's not going to make it so I can do this super easy, or is it? Oh, we'll see here. Simplify. I'm just going to simplify by 10 to make this 6 over 10 equals 78 over x. 6 times 13 is 78. 10 times 13, x equals $130. Awesome. Number 5. Is a little different because it's a markup, not a discount. So a markup, remember, means a store is adding to the price. A store buys something, then they add to the price, mark it up for us, so they can make some money and pay their employees and whatnot and blah, blah. So we use the same thing, number 5. Line equals line over 100. The cost of the store, $20, that's the original cost. The markup is 15%. So we were going to pay 100%, but they added 15% on. So now it's 115%. Well, I know to go from 100 to 20, I'm just dividing by 5. And 115 divided by 5 is 23. X equals $23. Number 6, I'm going to go ahead and do it right over here. I think I got plenty of room. Same proportion, line equals line over 100. Cost of the store is $56, so that's what goes down here. The markup is 80%, so I pay 180% because remember they add that on. And now I can simplify this. I can divide by 10, obviously, to make this x over 56 equals 18 over 10. I cannot just easily turn 10 into 56. I could simplify this again by dividing by 2. So it'll be x over 56 equals 9 over 5. And now when I do cross products, they're a little easier. X times 5 is 5x. 9 times 56 is 550. What is 9 times 56? 54, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 504. Now I divide both sides by 5. And I get x equals, well, 504 divided by 5. 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 0 0 times. 5 goes into 4 0 times. Remember, no fractional remainders when we're doing money here. 5 goes into 4 0 times, which is 0, 4, 0. 5 goes into 48 times. 100.8, but we're looking for money, so that would be $100. And remember, we annex a 0. That's not 8 cents, that's 80 cents. $100, 80 cents for number 6. Number 7, line equals line over 100. 140% markup means we're paying 240% because we have to add 100% onto that. Cost to the store is $110. We want to know what we have to pay. So we'll divide top and bottom by 10 here to make this x over 110 equals 24 over 10. And right here, 10 times 11 is 110. 24 times 11. 24 times 11 is 264. So we're paying $264. Lastly, a store buys an item for $10. To earn a profit of $25, what percent does the store need to mark this item up? So let's look. For number 8, we'll do it right here in the middle of the page. Line equals line over 100. We're looking for the percent. The store buys the item for $10. And to earn a profit of $25, they have to sell this thing for $35. If they only sold it for $25 and it cost them $10, they only made a profit of $15. So to earn a profit of $25, they have to sell it for $35 because it cost them $10. And now, easily enough, we multiply by 10, multiply by 10, x equals 350%. So they mark it up. What percent does the store need to mark up the item? Well, if we pay 350%, that's the percent we pay. What percent did they mark it up? Of course, they marked it up 250%. Because if it was a 250% markup and we added 100 to it, that's how we get that 350. So 250% markup. Very good. Well, hopefully this helped. Have an awesome night, and we'll see you in class tomorrow. See ya!
First to last, baby. First to last. No, let's go.